Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm doing a very quick cleanup, just trying to tidy up the house. I actually have a benefit dinner, like a gala tonight. So my hair and makeup is done. I did everything myself this morning. So right now I have to tidy up the house to make sure that the house is clean. I'm dropping off my daughter. She's staying at a sleepover by grandma's. And I just want to make sure that when I come home tonight, that the house will be clean, tidy, organized, tons of dishes to do, and really it's just super messy. My bathroom's a mess after getting ready. So yes, come clean with me guys today. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering videos for cleaning motivation. And if you guys like this type of content, I would love if you like and subscribe to the channel. I have great content coming out weekly, as well as like daily, day in the life, short little shorts that come out. So the bathroom is one thing that just always becomes a mess. Anytime I'm doing my hair or makeup, it just becomes totally cluttered. I have to actually get a better makeup storage solution. That will probably be, I don't even know, whenever we move, I'm gonna have to get a better storage solution. But now you guys can see, so this is my like downstairs bar area. We had dinner last night. It was my husband's birthday, so I made him like this great steak dinner. And I did not clean up before going to bed, my fault. But I have to clean up today, put everything away, put all the food away. We have so many dishes. Luckily, my upstairs kitchen area is very clean, and most of the upstairs is clean. But this down here is so messy. So you guys are going to see me just clean everything. There's just tons of dishes. This area is just super disgusting. The benefit that I'm going to is a fundraiser for our kids' school, and I'm taking my best friend with me tonight because my husband and my son are out of town. They went, training for the motocross and things like that. So I'm taking my best friend, and we are doing like a girls' night out. I am super excited. She's been my best friend since second grade, so she's like my ride or die. We literally talk on the phone pretty much every single day, and we're gonna have hopefully just like a really fun, elegant night today. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. And if you guys didn't notice, we actually don't have a dishwasher down here because this is literally designated as a bar area. Somehow we just spend most of our time down here, so we end up eating down here. And I just use my air fryer down here. I do most of the cooking upstairs on the stove, but I do use the air fryer down here. Like, we have the family room attached to this bar area, and this is kind of where we live. And one big thing in our next house is that I'm hoping that we have a very open layout with a huge family room. And, you know, obviously we need a much bigger kitchen than we have upstairs. But those are kind of on our wish list. And yes, we've been looking for a house for like 3 years. I know some people are like, you know, when are you guys getting a house? I'm really particular. I think I want a house that we can remodel a lot. Because of my architecture background, I just want to be able to design it to my liking. So we've gotten super serious lately on looking at houses, and I'm hoping that this is the year that we finally find something with enough land and the open layout that I'm really dreaming of without it being super expensive. Obviously, prices point, you know, we can't buy a very expensive house. So my laundry room is really messy right now. I was packing my son real quickly. So there is actually clean laundry on that side. I was packing him this morning, like literally going through the laundry, shuffling it. And I have dirty laundry on this side because I brought everything down from all over the house, and I have to do a load of laundry before I leave tonight. So I'm going to throw everything into the washer right now. When this is done, I want to try and get at least it into the dryer before I leave today. And that way I can just fold it tomorrow. And there's that huge basket of other laundry over there that needs to be folded and put away. But I will worry about that stuff tomorrow. I do not want to worry about any of it tonight. Like I said, I want to get the house tidy enough and presentable enough that when I come home, I don't really have to stress.
Oh, wait. That's the only way to get that high. Oh, wait. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah.
I took all of the covers out of my parents' car. We borrowed my dad's car last week, and they were just super dirty and just full of dust. So I washed that. I have to go put all of that back into his car sometime this week. And I'm probably going to give his car a good scrub down because it is just totally filthy. As always, the trash needs to leave the house. I mean, I feel like we just fill up on trash so fast. It's just like, how is there just always so much trash? It is crazy, but I'm going to go ahead and turn my handy dandy Roomba on and get some of the vacuuming. I did wash all of these little rugs, so that one rug will go back upstairs by the front door. I did all this last night. I try and wash them once every 2 weeks because they just get really dusty and disgusting, especially since we have a dog who loves to be outside all the time. It just gets really disgusting.
That's the only way to get that high. Oh, wait. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight.
I'd love to hear from everyone. How are you guys spending your weekend? How was your Saturday? How was your Sunday? How was your week? Is it warming up by you? It is kind of warming up by us. We actually had some snow like 2 days ago. It's supposed to be in the 50s tomorrow, so that's really exciting. So we just have good old-fashioned Midwest weather. It's just chaotic, but I am excited for spring to kind of come around. You know, we have to reset some of our grass in the backyard because it is tragic back there. Our dog, you know, tore up the backyard. So that is one of the biggest things I'm excited about, is to get fresh sun in my backyard.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on. Do anything for what we started, but this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same.
Lastly, I'm going to go through my son's room and just dust it. He has a lot of decluttering and organizing that I need to get to. I am not doing any of that today. I just don't have the time. I will be doing that sometime this week, but I do have to give his room a good dust and clean the mirrors and things like that because it's just gotten a little too dusty in here, and I just want to freshen up his room.
For me, yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started, but this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, no, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said earlier, do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I have great stuff coming out every single week. Can't wait to see you guys next time.
No